Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Cider AI for YouTube. In order to do so, here we are at youtube.com, but we have Cider open and we have this icon here. It collapses and you just have this little icon. You click on it and Cider opens up. It's a fantastic extension that allows you to ask questions of some of the top AI models available. You've got Cider Fusion, GPT-5, Claude Haiku, Gemini Flash, GPT 4.1, DeepSeek, Claude Sonnet. We've got some of the main models here, and so this is a way that you can make sure that you get the answers you're looking for. According to Cider, about Cider, it's a browser extension that adds an AI assistant in the sidebar. On YouTube, it can read a video page, a title, description, comments, transcripts, or analyze your pasted content and then generate outputs like summaries, scripts, titles, description, tags, timestamps, and more. Typical workflow: open a YouTube page, open the Cider sidebar, let it ingest the page or page transcript content, choose a prompt, command, or type a custom prompt to get results, and to edit, copy, export. So step by step. So first off, we want to install the Cider extension, which we already have done. Then we want to enable it on YouTube. It may require site access. Open a YouTube video page, click the Cider icon, or press the extension hotkey to open the sidebar. Let Cider ingest the page. Cider will usually detect the video, scrape the title, description, and comments. If the video has an auto-generated transcript, Cider may fetch it automatically. If not, you can open YouTube's transcript, copy, and paste it into Cider. So built-in prompts, templates. Cider often includes built-in prompts for common tasks. Look for templates like summarize this titles and tags, create video script, short form clips, write community posts from video, select a template, then tweak options, then run it. We've got some custom prompts such as create a 3-minute highlight script for Reels Shorts using this transcript, keep it energetic and add a hook in the first 5 seconds. So there's a lot here, and you can use Cider to tell you how you can use Cider for YouTube. So let's go ahead and test this out here. Okay, and so here's what you want to do. If you open up a video and then you come over to the Cider icon, you hover over it, you'll get this submenu, and here you're going to get this icon. If you hover over that, it says summarize this page. So let's go ahead and click on that now. Cider is going to open up, and we can see here summarize. Subtitle required for summaries. This video does not have subtitles and cannot be summarized. Okay, so we know then that unless there are subtitles attached to the video, then you cannot summarize it. But it's easy enough to find videos that do have subtitles, and this is where you can use the summarize feature in Cider. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider, take a look at the link in the description. There you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials. We'd love to have you on our Discord. We're building a community there around AI animation. If you want to head over there and get some feedback on some of your projects, we'd love to see what you're working on. And if you're interested in Cider AI, click on the link in the link tree. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're looking for an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the description, you can get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Simply Financial comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.